Where am I? It's completely dark here. Wait, I have a light. Let's see what this is. Wait, these walls are stone. Am I inside the Great Pyramid? This passage is much smaller than I expected. Someone carved these thousands of years ago. Whoa, something just flew past me. The tunnel is getting steeper. Wow, this place is enormous. Look at the height of this ceiling, and these carvings are incredible. Each one of these stones weighs several tons. I don't think tourists normally go this way. There's fresh air coming from somewhere. Let's see what's in here. You can still see how the stone was cut. I think this is the king's chamber. It's incredible how the echo changes. This room feels completely different. These blocks are incredible. And there's the famous sarcophagus. There's definitely air moving through this room. I wonder what's hidden beyond this area. I still don't understand how they built this. This shaft points somewhere toward the sky. That corner hasn't seen sunlight for thousands of years. The ceiling stones are enormous. This gallery is even more impressive from here. I think I'm getting closer to the outer layers. Wait, I can see daylight. It's just a tiny opening. Let's go. After all this darkness, it seems unreal. Look at this view from the pyramid site. It's absolutely breathtaking. I can't believe I just explored the inside of the Great Pyramid.